Men today, more and more, are interested in facial rejuvenation. They want to improve some of their manly features. For example, they want to improve their nose. They want to feel great. They want to breathe better. They want a straight dorsum, strong nose, not an over-skeletonized or feminine nose. And so rhinoplasty for men is very different than female rhinoplasty. Other men just need help with their eyelids, excessive eyelid skin, lower eyelid fat, are all things that can plague a man's face and cause a man to look older, much older than what they need to look, right? Us men, we care about the way we look and want to present our best face to the world. I think it's particularly important in the workplace, where younger and younger people are getting jobs and men want to compete and continue to look young and look refreshed. More and more we care about our health and wellness, and men present and are often plagued with snoring and sleep apnea. And we specialize in snoring and sleep apnea. We care about the way you look, and we care about the way you feel.
A number of years ago, I started noticing that I just wasn't sleeping as well as I should, or as well as I used to. So I first saw an ENT here in San Antonio, and this is way before Dr. Barrera arrived in town. And he discovered that I had some polyps in my nose and in my sinuses. So we did a surgery, and he removed those, and it seemed to help some. Fast forward a couple of years, I met another ENT who maybe did a little more thorough exam and noticed that my turbinates were swollen or enlarged. So he did a balloon sinuplasty as well as a turbinate reduction procedure and took some more polyps out, and that definitely helped some more. But it wasn't until I met Dr. Jose Barrera that he did a very thorough examination and found out that not only did I have those other things kind of come back and relapse, but also my septum was deviated, so I couldn't get air in through neither my left or my right because my septum was deviated both directions. So we did a procedure where he went in and fixed that, as well as opening up my valves in my nose, and that really helped. It took some cartilage out of my nose and opened up my valves, and actually did a little cosmetic aesthetic work there. So that really was life-changing because it really opened up my breathing in a way that none of the other surgeries ever had. And it was just due to the expertise of Dr. Barrera and the thoroughness of his exam and really looking at everything in my whole nasal airway that really made a big difference in not only the procedures he did, but also the effect that it had on me, not just simply from a performance standpoint in terms of being an athlete and being the best swimmer that I can, being the best cyclist that I can, but also from an aesthetic standpoint as well. I mean, let's face it, we all want to be as attractive, as handsome as we want to be, or as we can be, and our nose is right in the middle of our face. And so to have someone with his expertise to be able to give you the nose that you always desired or wanted, it's nice. And to be able to combine that with a procedure where functionally I'm breathing better than I ever have my whole life, that was really just a godsend. It was amazing.
We look forward to seeing you in our man cave. We offer many options that are surgical and non-surgical. Non-surgical options include Botox to remove some of the forehead wrinkles, fillers to gently improve cheek volume, as well as Botox for neck bands. Some guys also can benefit from improvement of the nasal dorsum with just a non-surgical rhinoplasty, a little filler here to remove and hide a small bump. We look forward to seeing you at our Man Cave Aesthetics here at Rejuve MD Med Spa.